To avoid predators, the wild boar mother chose to leap off a cliff. But what would happen to her newborn piglets? In the wild, the mother boar raises her litter alone. They live every day in the steep, rugged cliffs of the mountains. This harsh terrain helps protect them from attacks by predators. Although they can barely survive in such tough conditions, food is scarce, so the boars must venture closer to nearby villages to find food. Wild boars reproduce very quickly. Large groups begin to eat the villagers' crops. This widespread damage causes heavy losses for farmers. Their rapid reproduction and lack of natural enemy have made them a major pest. To reduce the damage, villagers plan to capture the wild boars. Such large-scale trapping drastically reduces their numbers. Sensing danger early, the mother boar tries to escape with her piglets, but while crossing a mountain, she accidentally falls into a deep ravine. Without their mother, how will the little piglets survive?